Your taste of Texas for today. I wanted you to hear the birds. I don't know if you can hear them. Because we've got a road not too far, even though this is a walking trail. There's a road through the woods. Oh, what's that? Like an egret or a heron or something. Hello, birdie. It's pretty. Took a late lunch and I'm out on the walking trail. My fall challenge is over, so I might join a winter one. I need to look it up. I think it started today. Okay. Hope you guys are having a good day. I heard the gas is under $4 finally in California. That's nice. Love y'all.